1985 GMC Jimmy Z71 Beast. Still a project car, but still looks cool, even as a project. I think it's cool. You don't like it? Fine. Wait till you see the driver's seat. Well, that's what project cars are, man. And we've got stock manifolds there and there. Then what we did is put two high flow catalytic converters, one right there, one right there. They're so cute, they're tiny. Look at them. Anyways, then we ran 2 1/4 pipe out the back on each side, there and there. He wanted it not too loud. He wanted a little bit of sound, but not too much. So we went ahead and put on it 2 Flow FXs, part number 71415, there and right there. Then 2 1/4 out the sides in front of the rear tires, because it looks cooler like that, I think, too. And then 4-inch rolled black tips to complete the look. He's going for all black, all murdered out, so I don't blame him. He'll match the wheels and everything else. There it is, right there, and right there, as you guys can see. There's the Flow FXs and the high flow cats, and that's what it looks like out the back. You don't see anything but big tires and a big truck. Or it's a Chevy Jimmy, sorry. It's not GMC, I don't know why I said GMC. Chevy. And this was the purple Hornets that were on it on one side. Glass pack on the other side, it was just all done. It's seen better days. He just put it on there just to get it here. So we hooked them up. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. And like I said, it is a project cars, guys. So you can see what kind of cherries in it, which is awesome. Take this wrench, you put it here. Turn, turn, turn. And you start it. And when you turn it off, you put it back on and turn it off.
I've seen it all.
Then trying to climb in. Go to the beach, boys!
Why is there a 2x4 in here?
We're going to the beach!
Oh, this is weird.
Watch your mouth, I'm recording.
Sorry. Ow.
At least the door still closes. He's adjusting the seat, guys. That's how you gotta do it. Car manufacturers, that's what you need to do. FLOWMASTer FX is. Ooh, it's got a pop. Sounds good. Your sound decibels? Yeah. 105 again. Again. She sounds good. I like it. Gotta back it up. There's a side exhaust on it. Yeah, it sounds so good. Got a nice pop to it. I like it. I like it a lot. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments of this project car. Let you guys hear on the inside.
The windows are down, guys.
Still a project, but once she's done, she's gonna look good. Turned off. Rush hour traffic, guys, at the end of the day.